Hi everyone, Tatiana from the Greenbird's Bead Kingdom is here, and today we are going to work with big, huge, lightweight plastic daisy charms. I came across this beauty and I can't resist making a pair or a couple of necklaces using these daisy charms. They're so big, so lightweight, so colorful. And I also found this smaller type. They're also plastic and also charms. They look so very inspiring to me. I decided I desperately need a necklace with them in the end of this summer. So what I'm going to do, the first step of every creative process is inviting a friend. In my case, my friend is this tool. It is called the Bead board by the Beadsmith, and it has the ability to help with your designs. Let me show you how. It has these lines, so the beads can be fit here perfectly, and you can create design before starting to string it. So what I've done is put here smaller pearls. These are freshwater pearls. Then a spacer bead. It's very colorful. It reminds me of sun, so it stands for sunshine. Then I have this kind of mix of bigger and smaller pearls. And again we continue with the same pattern, so it is symmetrical, starting in the center at the point 0 and coming to the sides, to the left and to the right, absolutely in the same manner. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bigger pearls here and 5 bigger pearls here, and then 4 pearls later we have this yellow, and again continue to the end of the necklace. There are at least 2 ways to attach our charms to this necklace. First way, we can use a finding which is called bail. See this kind of bail that can open and close. Attach our charm here using jump ring and then open it and put it to our necklace and close. So in this case the charm is going to be removable. We can put this on and put this out depending on our mood and other things. And the second way, we can use a jump ring. I'm going to show you how I do this. I take the jump ring with my tools. These are flat nose pliers, I need 2, and open the jump ring just like this. Pull it in different directions. Then I take a charm, put it on the jump ring, and now I close it like this. So we created a charm. Well, actually it was a charm before we created a charm, but now it's charm, real charm. Attach jump rings to all your flowers, and next step, take a flex right wire. I'm using this type, 49 strings. I don't cut it off the spool yet, I just take it and start to string my pearls like this. So one by one, every bead goes to the string. And while I'm doing this, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, because there are going to be a lot of nice and interesting tutorials in the future. While I was working on this necklace, I realized I also want to use the smaller daisies, but I just can't find the place for them yet in this necklace, so I decided to make a second design, which I'm going to string also right now. I used this type of round freshwater pearls, and in the middle there is a section of check glass beads. Perfect accommodation for this blue daisy, and I'm going to string it using this finding, this opening bail, so it can be worn as a pendant, or we can remove it and leave the necklace just like this as a choker. This is how I ended making 2 necklaces in one video. Now here it is, the beauty. I've strung all my beads, and I like how it's going to look like. Now let's try it on. Check that I have it perfect length. Now it's time to add a clasp, and I will show you how I'm going to do this. First of all, we will need a findings jewelry making findings. First goes crimp. This is a tube bead made of steel metal. It goes here. Then we take the wire protector. It looks like this. We string one side of it, go around and go back through the other hole. Then we add a chain. This is not the chain exactly, this is the second part of the clasp. So the clasp looks like this, a lobster and a chain. So we are putting on the chain, and then we are going back through the crimp here. So this is the kind of sandwich we have here now. Very small tiny space between them. Then grab your magical crimper and crimp your crimp. It has this hole for the crimp, so put it here and squeeze like this. Then turn 90 degrees and squeeze again. And repeat this several times. See how this tool forms tube crimp into a perfect tiny round bead. So this is the magic. So this is the magic, this is how it works. Now squeeze once again, just to make sure everything is secure. Now when we have secured the clasp from the one side of the necklace, we can send all the beads here to this end and cut off the wire from the spool, like this, by it. And then, again, we repeat what we've done here. We put on the crimp, then the wire protector, then we add a lobster clasp to it, back through the crimp, create magic with magical tool, and add a crimp cover in the end. Now it is time when we cut off the excess of the wire, like this, cut, and add a crimp cover to this crimp. Crimp cover is this finding. It looks like a Pac-Man, so we take it, something like 3 millimeters. We put it on top of the crimp, like this, and then we squeeze it using the tool. Form a bead around the crimp. So see, now it starts to look very neat, nice and beautiful. We added a bigger bead on top of the smaller bead, and it looks like this. And absolutely the same thing we are going to do on the other end of the necklace and on the other necklace. I've also created this one. I've showed you this before with blue beads. And now I'm going to add a pendant, a daisy pendant to it. How I'm doing this? I'm taking the pendant, I'm taking the finding. I open this with my tool like this. Open the ring. Put the bail here and again close the ring like this, and then add it to your necklace. Isn't this gorgeous? I think it is. And I also finished the first one, so this is how they look together. Actually, they can be worn together. I think I need to try this on. So it kind of looks like a set of 2 pieces. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked what we created here. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comments field below, and see you next week. Bye!